Welcome to Floor Polishing Services. We're a friendly, reliable and trusted company providing the best natural stone floor cleaning and polishing services across the southeast. So if your marble, limestone or travertine floors are looking dull and dirty and you can't get them clean, you've come to the right place. We can bring your floors back to life. Our professional team will deep clean your grout lines, remove scratches and stains, and repair cracks and holes before diamond polishing and sealing your floor back to its natural beauty. Much of our work comprises domestic kitchens, bathrooms, entrance halls, and conservatories. We have also delivered on larger commercial projects for clients such as Arundel Cathedral, British Gas, and GlaxoSmithKline, to name a few. We have over 15 years of experience and very satisfied customers. Please check out our testimonials page to hear what our customers say about us, or visit our Facebook and Instagram pages to see our latest projects. Call us today for your free quote. You will be amazed at the results.